Look at our bags. We're going to the Philippines. Yeah. Dami naming baggage. 1, 2, 3. 3. Tapos lahat na carry on. Look at all our luggage. They look like leftover food. How are you feeling?
I need coffee.
Nakarating ang scones ni Joy. We're boarding now. Alright. We're going to LA. Welcome to LA. Arrived at LAX with my dreams and my cardigan. We're in LA. No, I'm okay. Gotta pick up a car. Alright, we're now here at Enterprise. We rented a car for the day. And we got a Mitsubishi Outlander. 2024.
2024 Mitsubishi Outlander.
So cool. Okay. I-set up lang namin tong car para makaalis na kami.
Ito lang ata ang pinaka-closest na makita naming Hollywood.
Huh? No, we're gonna go to Griffith Park.
Pupunta pala kami ng Griffith Park. Okay. Guys, naghanap kami ng mga kainan ngayon because
We're gonna go to a Hawaiian barbecue place right now.
yeah, sobrang gutom na talaga namin. My God.
Sobrang gutom na namin because from 3
a.m. From 3 a.m. and
Ang kinakain pa lang
ngayon,
namin is yung scones ni Joy. So,
yeah, pero wala pa kaming kain na kain talaga. And then, uhaw na din kami.
Yeah.
So, imagine nyo na lang, kanina pa yung flight
Guys,
namin.
it's my first time driving in LA.
Ayaw nga, first
Kinda
time.
scared.
First time ni Kim mag-drive na.
Just a little bit. But it's all good. Ang laki ng car namin pati, hindi ko matansya. Because it's so big, it's so long. Alright, bye.
Yeah. Mamaya na lang, guys.
So,
No, hindi. Baka natumba.
okay. So, yung binigay sa amin na car, I don't know if we've told you guys, but it's a Mitsubishi Outlander. So, it's pretty big. Never driven a car this big. So, I know. I think it's a 7-seater car.
Is it?
3 here, 3 there. 8-seater. It's 8-seater. Ready na kami magkapamilya. Alright, we're gonna go eat because we're so hungry. We are eating here. Cute Hawaiian barbecue. And this is our order. Mixed barbecue and spam musubi. May sauce din, no? Yeah.
Nakakain na kami kanina, guys, dun sa Q Hawaiian barbecue. And then now, nasa kahabaan kami ngayon ng highway. Kasi, pupunta tayo ng Griffith. Nabulol! Napupunta kami ng Griffith
Griffith Park.
Griffith Park. Papunta kami ngayon, guys. And then, kanina, medyo kanina pa kami umalis sa kung saan na kami kumain. Kasi yung biyahe from there is aabot na mga 53 minutes. But now, ano na tayo, 32 minutes na lang. So, yes, nasa highway tayo ngayon. Are we okay?
It's fine.
She's fine. She's fine. Okay, guys. Yan. Daming cars. We're here. Naghahanap lang tayo ng parking, guys. Actually, akit pa kami. Ayan, Griffith Observatory parking. Where do we park? Where do you wanna park? Stairs? Okay, naghanap pa kami ng parking sa ngayon, guys. May free parking sa baba, but then since limited lang talaga yung oras natin dito, we're trying to, tinatry namin na,
Sige,
you think so? Kasha ka ba?
I don't know. I can't with this car.
Wait lang, guys, ha. Medyo figure out namin yung parking namin. Saglit lang.
Waiting for the bus. Going to observatory.
Nag-try kami maghanap ng parking sa taas. Pero nahirapan kami maghanap ng parking. So bumaba na lang kami para
Truly. And I think parating naman na yung bus. Hindi namin alam kung free yung parking dyan. I think so. I don't know. Naks. True. Ayan yung Hollywood sign. And we're gonna go take pictures here. Alright, anong masasabi mo sa Hollywood sign?
very normal for us Filipino.
Alright, moving on.
Maganda mag-hike dun, oh.
Ay ka na. Yan, bye.
We were just there, right?
Yeah. Yeah, we're inside of the observatory. There's not a lot of people here at this time, so it's nice. And it's good. Just looking at stuff. This is about the cameras. This is a Tesla coil. Cool stuff. So we're done here now. We're just waiting for the bus. The dash bus. And then we're gonna go to the Hollywood Walk of Fame. We're doing everything in one day.
Yeah.
Just very quick tours.
Napaka liar naman itong picture na to. Tingnan mo naman.
Alright, we're back in the car. Our next stop is the Walk of Fame. Sorry, we had to walk here. Got me tired. Anyways, we're so thirsty, both of us. Whew. Alright, we'll see you at the next stop in Sakat.
Okay, you can...
We're now at the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Dito tayo sa Shake Shack because we're so thirsty. I don't know if you guys watch Modern Family, but Kat watches it every single day, and Right now we're at one of the houses. Mitch and Cam's house. Second house is, I know, the Dunphy's houses. Okay. Yeah. So excited. Oh yeah. Yes. This is the house, guys. That one. Hello.
We've arrived.
Nandito na kami sa
Andito kami ngayon sa Santa Monica Pier. Ang daming tao.
True. We're just gonna walk around and then feel the sand and then feel the water on our skin. And then eat some ice cream.
Eat some ice cream and then babalik na kami sa airport.
Yeah. Oh my god, look at the McLaren. May McLaren dito. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, so we're just gonna mamaya na.
I get 3. Fuzzy math how that works. 1 goes in the hand, 2 go in the pocket. How many should I?
So we're done here. Laki talaga ng car namin. It's like we're on a family trip. Oh, okay. Oh, lapit lang pala. Yeah, I'm gonna. We're in now at LAX. Our flight is delayed by an hour.
And now, we're on our quest
to look for a lounge. We're at the lounge because flight's delayed another hour. So we're waiting for 5 hours. 3 more hours. 3 more hours?
9, 10, 11,
4 more hours. 4 more hours to board time. Really long time. But yeah. Just here. Waiting. Hi vlog. So it's like 10:30. Still here. 1 a.m. pa yung flight namin. So we're just gonna end this here. We had a pretty good day today in LA.
Very productive.
Very productive. Like a mini tour of LA. So that was good. But we're just waiting for the shower rooms.
Yeah, we're waiting na available yung shower. Sabi after 30 minutes pa. So that's good. Tamang-tama sa oras na inaantay namin.
So we're just waiting for that. And then we're gonna shower. And then hopefully after that, we're just gonna go to the gate and then fly. But yeah, just end it here for now. Thanks. We're gonna go to the Philippines, by the way, in case you guys missed it. Alright, bye.